Hello everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to make a funfetti cake that's great for special occasions and for birthdays. You'll be surprised to know that this cake is completely vegan. Okay, so the first thing is to make sure that you have all your tools and ingredients. We're going to start by baking our vegan funfetti cake with our 9-inch pans. I've linked the ingredients, quantities, and steps in the description box below. The next step is to add your vinegar to your milk and let it curdle. Over my many years of baking experiments, I've learned to always mix your dry ingredients and wet ingredients thoroughly and separately. Then add the wet to the dry ingredients and mix them together. Notice how I make a well in the center for that in the dry ingredients. This ensures that your cake is thoroughly mixed and you don't have clumpies. Oh, how I hate clumpies. Now for the fun part. Throw in your sprinkles and make sure that you don't overmix them in the batter because the colors will end up smearing together and you'll end up with a very gray looking batter. Alright, so I've preheated my oven to 350 degrees and now I'm going to divide the batter into my pans, which I've not only greased with vegan margarine but lined with parchment paper. To divide up the batter, I like measuring the pans using a kitchen scale to get the quantity as close as I can. I used to actually eyeball it, but that didn't work out too well in my previous experience because layers would differ in thickness. Okay, now that your cake is in the oven, you can start making your frosting. You have plenty of time. So first I beat the vegan margarine and shortening with my hand mixer until it's smooth. Then add in my icing sugar 1 cup at a time. Again, no clumpies. So once the clumpies are gone, I add vanilla and mix again. And then I slowly add my non-dairy milk a few tablespoons at a time. I make sure I scrape the sides of the bowl as I mix, which in retrospect was probably a terrible idea because I made a huge freaking mess. Anyways, I like using an unsweetened version of the milk because the frosting is already too sweet. I don't add salt to this like most recipes because the margarine I used is already salted. This vegan buttercream frosting is fluffy and airy and not heavy at all. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification icon because I have an upcoming video that'll show you exactly how I decorated this cake. And comment down below if you tried out this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next video.